Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to go ahead and apologize up front if you hear any footsteps in the background because there's a robin in our backyard that is terrorizing our labradoodle. Anyway, let's get into this. So we've all heard of ants on a log, right? Celery, peanut butter, raisins. Super boring. Let's take it up a notch. Start off, it's pretty simple, basically the same thing. Wash your celery, cut it in relatively even pieces. Alright, here's where we start to take a turn, and I'm going to take some canned beets and put them in a food processor and make a puree out of them. Instead of that sweet peanut buttery flavor, you get this nice earthy tone with this, and don't worry about putting any extra liquids in there. Those canned beets are already plenty wet. Alright, I've also got some roasted almonds here that I'm going to smash up and I'm wind up crumbling on the top of these. You could use pecans or walnuts here also. I find that this is absolutely the easiest way to do this. Just stick them in a bag and get a hammer and just lightly hit them and, they'll smash. I've got some instant rice here. I'm just going to put about equal parts rice and water in a cup and stick it in the microwave for a few minutes and let it boil. Just keep an eye on it every 2 minutes or so and make sure that it's not drying out. You may need to add a little bit more water. This is, it's totally customizable. I think this was chicken flavored, so it's just what my wife picked up. Okay, because I'm a responsible adult, I'm using the same bag that I smashed those almonds in to put my beet puree in and just cutting the tip off, making a piping bag so I can fill these celery sticks with them. This is pretty easy. Just go, pretty slow. Just make sure you're not like tipping them over anything, and then just fill them up. Don't overfill them. You'll make a mess. And then once you get all of them full, you can sprinkle on some of those chopped almonds. And our rice just finished up, and I'm going to put rice across the top of all of these too. And I've got a white chocolate bar that I've melted in the microwave, and I'm just going to slide all these together so that it's easier to drizzle over all of them at the same time and finish this up. And of course, you've got to rearrange these all like nice and stuff for a thumbnail picture and Instagram post, of course. So most of you watching are not subscribed, so why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it's free, and you should. Anyway, next I like to carefully take these and lift them up and then dump them in the trash can where they belong. Happy April Fools, guys. Thanks for watching.